line your cheekbones with a shoe or make freckles using broccoli? Yep, it's a thing. Watch us test the most popular beauty hacks from TikTok in our new video. Sean, have you seen my bun donut? What? Are you doing the dishes with it? Sorry, Meg. I thought it was a sponge. Here, watch. There's a bunch of life hacks on TikTok on how to do a bun without any extra help. Fine, I'll try this simple life hack. For starters, pull the hair into a low ponytail. Put it onto your forehead and fasten the end with a hair tie. Separate the end of the ponytail into two and roll the hair back to the crown. Stretch it out and fasten it with hairpins. Voila! A great bun! I'll go conquer the world! Hi, June! Your freckles are so nice! I wish I had freckles! So what's the problem? Take brushes and make yourself some freckles! Although you like broccoli, a nice life hack from TikTok. Dip broccoli in eyeshadow and make prints on your face. Hey, what are you doing? This is all for the sake of beauty. Look, now you have cute freckles too. People come to our beauty salon with all kinds of problems. Oh gosh, what's wrong with your face? Help! This is because of TikTok beauty hacks. Toothbrush contouring. It doesn't work. Poor girl. I'll help you out. What are you doing? Place a shoe heel on a cheekbone and contour your face. It worked! Good luck with your makeup, TikToker! The party was a blast. Yesterday was fun. But today is sad. Ouch! Oh no! What's going on in here? Both my room and my hair are a mess. I need help right now. Please, beauty professional, save me! Well, beauty tools can't help here. But I know a nice idea. A toilet paper roll and a hair dryer. This life hack will solve all your problems. Style your bangs using a toilet paper roll and a hair dryer. And I look human again.
Wow.
Whoa! Thanks a lot. You made my day. Redhead is cooking the most difficult dessert ever. She is so into the video recipe that she spills half the powdered sugar on the table. Whoops! There you go. Almost done. Now we just have to bake it for 2 hours. I'm so tired, but I can't miss my dessert. It's okay if I lie down right here in the kitchen. The timer wakes Redhead up in 2 hours. Gosh, what's wrong with my face? Although, that's an interesting makeup idea. I can post this life hack on TikTok. A bright makeup look with regular powdered sugar. Just put your face in sugar. Is my friend an ancient Greek goddess? Since when? Nah, I'm hallucinating. She just did her hair like one. We need to go. Are you ready? Sure. I just have to undo all this Grecian stuff. I wrapped wet strands around a headband. And now I have bouncy curls. Great, let's go. Redhead wants to define her inner eyelid. She just needs to pull your skin a little. But her nose doesn't let her do it. It's right in the middle. Stop! We know a great life hack. Take a bobby pin and put it on your nose. Well, I look kind of funny. But now I can draw a neat eyeliner quickly and easily. Take the pin off. It worked! A bobby pin is a brilliant invention. I need to make up another life hack with it. Nose contouring, for example. But a bobby pin is too thin for my nostrils. Let's use hairpins. Now this is a way better size. Place a pin on your nose and trace the outline. Now you just need to blend it. Done! Great job, hairpin! What else can I do with this pin? Maybe curl my hair? That's a great idea! Twist a strand and wrap it around a pin. Iron it on top. Whoa! The result is trendy tight curls. At this rate, I'll be curling my hair for an eternity. I need my friend to help me. Kelly, will you help me do the most fashionable hairstyle? Come on, let's curl it. My hairstyle gets done faster with a friend, but the result kinda didn't meet my expectations. I look more like a shaggy lion than the queen of the concrete jungle. But Kelly has her own ideas. Now you are the Lion King, redhead. Hakuna Matata. Kelly! You need strong eyebrows in the modern world, but doing them straight is a pretty difficult task. Kelly struggles every time. I shouldn't have dropped out of art school. I'd have been able to draw new eyebrows faster.
Ew.
Nothing works. These eyebrows are a shame and a disaster. Help! Kelly is going into art shock from all these attempts to do her eyebrows. Don't worry, we are gonna quickly do your dream eyebrows right now. Dip the end of the tweezers in eyebrow pomade and trace the outline on the eyebrow. It's quick and easy. Well, not very quick. Wake up, Kelly! It's done! Whoa! Now these are my dream eyebrows. They are saying, look at us! We are a perfect couple! Redhead washed her hair, and now she turned into a fountain. Water is splashing everywhere. It's so annoying. Honey, sit down. I'll help you out. My sweater! What are you doing? This is a quick hair drying method. I saw this life hack on TikTok. Pull a sweater over your head and direct a stream of hot air from a hairdryer into it. This is just as good as a salon blowout. There you go, it's done. What? Andy, what have you done to my hair? I look like a monster thanks to your life hack. Great, at least there's not water everywhere. Kelly is a famous singer, and she's finishing her makeup before going out on stage. She just has to add some shine. Hurry up, Miss Kelly, your audience is waiting. Oh gosh, what have you done? Now I'm shining like a disco ball. I can't perform looking like this. I need to come up with a solution right now. All my methods fail, except for one. What if I use tape? Now that's a nice life hack from TikTok. We can quickly remove all the glitter with masking tape. And our star Kelly can shine on the stage without any extra glitter. Redhead wants to do bright makeup, but blending eyeshadow is always hard for her. Nothing works. I'll try a TikTok life hack. Put on a lash curler and draw a straight line on it. I like it, but something is off. I want to create a sultry look. And I remembered another hack. Cut a piece off a fake eyelash and attach it to the corner of your eye. Move it a bit to the side. And mascara on my lashes. I can impress anyone with my eyes. This waitress at the cafe is so cute. There's one little problem. Her hair is way too long.
Ew.
It's swimming in my glass. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me take it out. Don't you know how to put your hair in a safe bun? Here, watch this TikTok life hack. Wow, it's so simple. Rosie is testing a life hack on how to put long hair in a bun without a hair tie. Put the hair up in a ponytail. Twist it. Wrap it around your hand. Twist a loop. Wrap the end of the hair around the base of the ponytail and put the loop from the wrist on the bun by fastening it with your own hair. It all holds up very well. This TikTok life hack worked great. Now no hair will fall in the glass. See? Yay! Can you give me my phone back, you long-haired TikToker? Thanks! Sweetheart, we should break up. You are too pale, and I'm very bright. Our relationship won't work. Bye! Oh no! How could this have happened? I need support. Kelly, can you come over? The rescue operation is starting now. I'm already here. Stop stress eating. Come on, let's clean you up. Superstar Kelly has a whole arsenal of bright colors to make a gray life more colorful. Now that's way better. Should we add some fringe? No! This lime color will match you the best. And now, let's do your hair. What's that? Bright eyeshadow? I know a hack! We can dye your hair. We'll use eyeshadow. Look, it's turning out great! Our bright hair dye is done! Now no one can say I'm boring! Today, June finally has a job interview at her dream company. And you want to go there looking like this? So? I'll put on glasses and I'll look serious. No way! I won't let you ruin your career. Let me style your hair in a big business braid, like the one I saw on TikTok. Let me just watch it again. This life hack seemed so simple on TikTok, but it turned out way different in real life. Well, take a picture of my braid from the back. Oh no! What is this giant messy thing? Can you do a new one? Well, it looked better in the picture. Then let's use another life hack. There you go, June. Now it's done. You look like the employee of the month. With a hairstyle like this, you'll definitely get the job. Thanks, girl! Did you like our TikTok life hacks? Then comment below which ones you'd copy. Would you do your makeup with a bobby pin? Define your cheekbones with a heel? Or make freckles with broccoli? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new TikTok testing videos from Troom.